Most phones today are expensive and still not give you what you expect. For the Tecno Spark Slim, this one is very different, and the price in Nigeria starts from about 320,000 naira. For this price range, this phone is entering a very dangerous zone because people don't expect smartphones to be this expensive. So if the price is high like this, the performance must match it. Let's talk about it. This Tecno Spark Slim runs on Android 15. The processor here is MediaTek Helio G200, but can this compete? Yes, this G200 chipset is becoming popular in mid-range phones. It can handle small social media apps and good for gaming at medium setting. Now let me talk about where this phone stands out. The display, a 6.78-inch AMOLED display screen, a 144Hz refresh rate. This is a flagship level refresh rate, plus 3D curve design, and a crazy 4500 nit peak brightness. This phone will shine even under hot sunlight. The build material is premium too. Gorilla Glass 7i in the front, fiberglass at the back. It has an IP64 protection for dust and water resistance. Memory is good too. A 256GB of internal storage, 16GB of RAM, but 8 of it is an extended RAM. But still, multitasking will not stress this device easily. The camera on the back is 50MP camera, and the front, the selfie is 13MP. This is normal camera setup, not too crazy, not too weak. I can see that you are still watching. Have you subscribed to the channel? If not so, please do so. Subscribe now, it's free. Now here is another selling point of the Tecno Spark Slim. Battery is 5160 mAh battery, and the charging is 45 watts wired, and it can reach 100% in about 57 minutes, and it has bypass charging, which is good for gaming or heat control. The Tecno Spark Slim also supports reverse 10 watts charging. The speakers, dual speaker with Dolby Atmos support, so the sound quality is not small at all. You also get an NFC, infrared remote control, and Tecno promises a 5-year lasting fluency guarantee, so no lag problem after 1 or 2 years. So now, the big question is simple. Is the 320,000 naira worth it for this Tecno Spark Slim? Because at this price, people will compare it with another brand in this price segment. Some will even look at flagship device at this price. Do you think Tecno priced this phone well? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this breakdown so far, make sure to subscribe, because my next video, I will compare this Tecno Spark Slim with another device in this price segment.